let's put the RAM in, I think, and then we'll put the processor in, and then we'll do that. So there we go. Oh, I think I bumped you. There, bumped you again. All right. So God, everything's mega sealed. I get it. I'll steal it. Oh, everybody! I did just upload that video that I was talking to you guys about. I just went live on YouTube now, so you should check that out. Become a G-Skill member. Register your product. Yeah, okay, sure. Oh, yeah, I love these little stickers everywhere. G-Skill inside. I know that's Intel. But, man, look at this memory. This is some... Jesus. Trident Z Neo. Look at that holographic sticker on the back and everything. This stuff's legit, guys. Okay, so... Usually I just, I think it's the first 2 slots. So, again, refer to your destructions here, wherever they are. Headers. Here we go. CPU installation, DIMM installation. M.2. Yeah, so, yeah, here. Sometimes you gotta look at these here. It'll tell you bank 1, bank 2. Yeah, B1, B2, A1. So it's B1, B2, A1, A2. So we can just stuff you can do the first 2 slots, I think, or you can do the second 2 slots, but you don't split them. So we're just going to fill up, if, hopefully that cooler's not in the way, but I guess it kind of doesn't really matter, but we'll just put them in the first 2 slots, and we'll go from there. So that is not the way. That is the way. This is the way. Oh, man. I'm already missing the Mandalorian. Oh. Yeah. I'm excited to see WandaVision. That might be interesting. I do like me some Marvel. So that should be... Like I said, that should be interesting. Oh. Oh, and I did it to my own... See, I did it to myself. I turned it around. Clickety click. Man, that's some nice looking memory. Alright. So we should really think about getting our CPU in here. And we got our all-in-one cooler. Our AIO. Here we go. Our Corsair. So let's again with the damn stickers on everything. I'm not even using this cooler, right? Oh, there it is. This cooler is just, gonna sit in the box. Let's see what this looks like. I'm not gonna move the camera. I do like to see what I'm paying for. Oh, this is actually halfway respectable. Look at this. Okay, that's actually kind of nice. That's not too bad. I mean, the stuff I'm used to, you would have paid extra for that. Extra meat, no charge. In this case. Yeah. Oh, Oh, stuffed 10 pounds of crap in a 5-pound box. Come on. Oh, of course. Did I get it the wrong way? Oh, don't slice yourself. Okay. We're just going to toss that aside because I'm not messing with that right now. Ow. Hurt myself, guys. Hurt my nail. Oh, here we go. All right, so as with all these ZIF sockets, you got to find the pin 1, which is the one with the chopped off corner, which is up here. So we lift up our ZIF zero insertion force lock, and we're going to open the package. And oh man, this thing's, dude, this got some weight. Okay, now the real question is, oh, and there's the dot right there. So we're gonna line up the dot with the notch, right? Okay, we're just gonna come on. I mean, I'm not crazy, right? No. Okay, well that looks correct. What's going on here? They always just drop in. Alright everybody, I need to get some X-ray goggles on so I can see what's going on here, because, you know, this is all supposed to fit together. Alright. Here they are. Okay, so pause here for a second and I'll bring it back when I get it on with the goggles here. We got our processor, and I still believe that's pin 1, which it is. There's also a triangle in the corner. There's nothing, it's just the pins. It's the way I'd expect it to be. It's exactly the way that I would expect it to be. So I hope this guy gave me the right damn motherboard. No, socket AM4. Socket AM4. Socket AM4. Socket AM4. And what does this say? Third gen processor. Yeah. See? Zen 2. AMD socket AM4. Oh, this was the guy was telling me about it being compatible. I mean, I shouldn't have to open up a set of instructions on how to plug in a freaking... Prior to installation, ensure pin 1 indicators are correctly aligned, which are showing it like that, like the levers here. Oh. Actually, I thought it was over there. It looks like it's the other corner. Oh, thank God. I'm just an idiot. And this is why you figure this stuff out. I thought for sure. Oh, yeah, see, so, you know, it's always different, I guess. Let's see. Oh. She dropped right in there. Okay. And then we lower the lid. Okay. Rising. Okay. Alright. So, hang on. I'm going to take these magnifying glasses off. I'm sure I'll need them again, but hang on a second. Alright, we're back. It's the next day. Quiet Sunday morning. We've got the rest of our stuff here. Let's see here. Okay, so where did we leave off? We left off with routing the wires. We put in the memory. I was working on the all-in-one cooler, I think. We're also going to put I got some fans. Where are they? So I got these Corsair fans. The ML120 Pros. You guys can see that. It's the same thing that's in the front. So we will, maybe we'll start by putting one of the fans in the back, if it's gonna fit in there. I mean, it should. I don't know. You know, I never put like a ton of case fans on any of my computers before, but obviously this is something a little different here. Let's make sure you're in the frame. There we go. Move you over a little bit. There. Okay. So let's get this out. Yeah, some nice fans. So let's turn my light on. That might help. There we go. Oh, it helps me. Hopefully it should help you guys too. Dang, what kind of sticker is that? Oh, it's another one of those. It's more controllers. Wow. Okay. I never had something with so many controllers on it. Wow, alright. Well, there's a lot going on here. So let's look and see what we got here. Oh. Okay. So, here's another one of these RGB hubs. Man, they give you a lot of I/O here. We've got a lot of we had quite a few fans to hook up. Okay. 3M adhesive. There's another one of those. We're probably going to plug it into this other one here. We got a bunch of stuff going on. Okay. So, dang. Oh, that's kind of crazy, right? So one of them's the actual fan. Yeah. So this one says to RGB hub, and this is the actual fan. Okay. So let's get this party started. Everybody, hope you guys had a good day yesterday. I know my day was exciting. I finally posted the video of the guy that was trying to break into some cars at my apartment complex. So, just trying to break into cars and into buildings. So it's actually kind of crazy. And he did get caught. So cops nabbed him. Pretty funny. Like I said, we're also going to do a push-pull configuration, supposedly, on this thing. Hopefully it fits. You know, like I said, the last time I built one of these, I got basically something similar, not exactly the same, but I put it up here, and we kind of were running issues with the memory, and so I don't, you know, I don't really know what's going on. We're gonna, hopefully everything just works like it's supposed to, because, you know, this has got the 3 fans. Like what I did on the other one was I changed this one to here and here to that. There was something that we did. I forget. All I know is that it seemed really weird. I didn't understand why. So, like I said, these radiators and all that are totally new to me. Last time I built a computer, I'm not even sure it definitely wasn't mainstream. I mean, maybe for high-end stuff, I suppose. You know, this is more, you know, it's more commonly used now. It's the way to go. So let's get this all undone here. So wherever we can plug into that controller on the other side with these other fans, I'd like to do that. So you can see that all this wiring, there should be some wiring here. It's probably coming down over here. But yeah, so let's, okay, all right.